What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're going to talk about Shiba Inu in this video because of two things. One, I have stake in this position holding, 9 million coins, which is not a crazy amount, but it's a decent amount. It's okay right now. It's worth about $600, $700 or something like that, maybe a little bit less, but it's still worth a decent amount, a fair amount, I would say. And also, it's really hot right now. People love this position. They love this coin and what it's doing. The volume has been pretty high, but we're going to get into all the detail, the things that I'm concerned about, some articles that are positive, and negative, and just look at the overall position when we go through today. And I guess I already said what I'm concerned about, but make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of my links in the description if you guys are interested in any of the content that I do across YouTube, reaction, financial stuff, golf, all the type of stuff. Hit those links down below and sign up. I also have a Discord group if you guys want to sign up for that, as well as a Patreon and all that stuff. So anyways, let's dive into this really quick. So we have Shiba Inu up on the screen. We can see here that it's at 0.00006765 cents. It's down about 4.3%. It just changed 4.3% in the last day. Now, some people are concerned with the way that this is dropping. They're always like, what's going on with Shiba Inu? Why is it dropping? Well, it's just standard, right? You see cryptocurrencies go up and down. If you don't see it go down, then there's some sort of a problem. We might have another squid coin on our hands. It doesn't go down, then something happens to where people cannot sell, because there's always somebody that's selling. I understand that you don't want to think that anybody is selling, but there's always people that are selling that are trying to take a little bit of a profit, or that are comfortable with their profit. If someone put $1 million into this coin because they felt like they can just YOLO $1 million and grew it to 10 million, and they wanted to sell out their coins, then they can go ahead and do that. I mean, I wouldn't want them to do it because that's a massive amount that would pull out of the position and then lower the price. But, they can do what they want to do. It's their money, right? So this is what we're seeing here. We're seeing a little bit of a drop. The reason why we're seeing a little bit of a drop is because the volume is so low compared to where it was previously. 2 days ago, I believe it was 2 days ago, maybe 2.5, around those two or 3 day mark, we were at 40 billion in volume. You can see where we're at now. We are, a fraction of that. We are at or I guess we're 10% of it. We're at about 4 billion in volume, which is still high. 4 billion in volume is not bad. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it is down in the last 24 hours by 47%, and down in the last 3 days, I guess, by 90%, right? It's down a lot in volume. And it's just because, right, when you see the rise in price, you see people that are holding, you see people that are making their positive moves. Eventually, you're going to get to that point to where it gets to a higher level, or people want to get more news out of it. And when you start seeing that news flatline, some people start to pull out a little bit. So that's what you see there. The market cap is still at about 37 billion, and people may be waiting for that to come back so they can buy in more after pulling out some. Now, the thing that I'm worried about with this is the circulating supply. The circulating supply is still around 549. It hasn't been fixed. I know it has been an issue. I haven't seen anything else on it, and I've searched for it. I haven't seen anything, but it's still at 549. If anybody else has any detail on it and when they plan on getting that fixed, if they are, or if it wasn't an error or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below, because I haven't seen anything. But the typical hold time is around 10 days, and the popularity is 7th on the list. And I would tell you that's the whole reason why I'm a little bit, sketched out by what's going on, is just the circulating supply. I don't know why that wouldn't be fixed, and I can't wait for it to get fixed, because I feel like that will be some sort of a catalyst towards this position as well. Now, let's go ahead and look at some different information here. So I wanted to look at this right here. Right, this is the Motley Fool talking about how Shiba Inu could fall 90% or more, and here's what history suggests. Now, this is just one of those articles that creates negativity so it can bring in clicks, right? It brought in my clicks so I can show you guys how much of a piece of trash, I don't want to curse, but a piece of trash that the Motley Fool is. They are garbage, right? there's always those reporters or whatever you call them, the authors of these articles that will um, that are just trash, right? They just report horrible information because they're always looking back at history of things that don't even correlate with something like Shiba Inu. So I'm not even going to dive into this because it doesn't make sense. I just wanted to call this out that this is stupid. And to see these articles and get triggered based on these articles, that might be a reason why you see some of these falls as well. It's not just the standard buying and selling, which is a big factor, but you have the information or news out there that's telling people, oh, it's going to fall 90%. So let me get out of this position. You know what I mean? That's what really sucks. But yeah, what Shiba Inu led meme coin craze to say about the crypto oversight. Yeah, I just really wanted to go through some articles, but I don't want to sit here and pick or nitpick the position. I have two main flaws, or one main flaw with it, and it's really just the circulating supply. When I start to really look at that circulating supply, that's something that really gets to me. 549 trillion and previously at 394 trillion. The only thing or the other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about before I ended this video is I'm actually uploading another burn video. The first burn video got about 3,000 views, which that's about $10 per view, and obviously I want to split that in half because of taxes. So we're really only looking at about $30 gross, and then net would be $15. That's nothing to put into Shiba Inu. It's something that we can burn off, but I feel like this can generate a lot more. So what I'm doing is I'm actually putting more ads in one video, as many as I possibly can, and I'm going to have that up probably after this video. So if you see that video come up, make sure you click on it, watch it, and we can burn away some Shiba Inu. But it's going to basically be the full amount that I would make from that video. And then you're going to take that and split it in half because obviously taxes. I don't want to have something to where it's like $20,000 that I'm putting into Shiba Inu and burning it off. And, a half of that I need to pay in taxes. You know what I mean? So anyways, that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. Shiba Inu right now has that decrease in price down about 4.4% as of right now. And the volume is definitely down. I'm not really a fan of the volume being down, but there's some hope in this, right? I know that this can get to a penny or a dollar in the future, and some people may say that that is ridiculous, but I will say that right now, yes, absolutely ridiculous. Future, probably not. You never know what this coin is going to be. People didn't think that Bitcoin would be as high as what it is. That's why they ended up selling it. And some people made some mistakes. So you let me know what you think. You let me know what you think about the Motley Fool article. You let me know what you think about the burn video. You let me know what you think about anything. But I'm uploading another burn video here. And you guys determine what actually gets burned off. And there's going to be so many ads in that video that if you watch just bits and pieces of it, you will be good. So anyways, if you watch to this point, let me know. Type in tricks are for kids down in the comment section. I think that'll be good if you watch to the end of this video. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.